puppy. So this is cute, but it gets annoying sometimes. Chirp bum bum. Look at chirp bum 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 bum. Good morning. I'm in a bit of pain today and it is raining. Oh, good girl. Thank you.
Mom?
Yeah, baby?
This.
Okay, let me go get your jacket first, okay? Oh, man, my pubic bone is not my friend today. And it is raining. I wanted to go for a walk today, but that doesn't look very possible. Just gotta keep active at home. So we're eating breakfast. Felice is having her usual and not using her spoon, using her hands like a tonguin. And I am eating my usual as well. What's up, baby? Are you serious? I just sat down, dude. Bobby, can you go get your water?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, so today is another not so great day for me physically. Not last night, but the night before that, I got like 2 hours sleep. And yesterday I was like perfectly fine. I was cleaning, doing everything. But I think it's caught up with me today. I'm quite sore. And like my body is just really feeling the weight of LJ today. And I just feel so tired. So I'm taking it easy as much as I can. I'll probably clean up much later to maintain the house's cleanliness. But yeah, oh my gosh, I don't feel so great. Actually, yesterday I didn't feel so great either. But yeah, what have we done so far? We watched a movie, had a snack, had our breakfast, and Felisa? Bubby? Felisa, are you in your tent?
No.
Well, come out.
No.
Yes, get out of there. Now. Come on. Come on. Okay, good girl. Thank you. Are you eating biscuits?
Yeah, but good girl.
So what I did was I gave her
Woof.
her apple first before I gave her a little bit of biscuits. Yes.
Woof.
And we're hiding the biscuits from her. You're so cute. But yeah, we're hiding the biscuits from her so she doesn't whinge for them when she's hungry. Yeah? Oh, you like dunking it in the water. One step, two step, tickle teddy bear. Okay. Round around the circle like a teddy bear. One step. We haven't finished. One step, two step. Tickly teddy bear. Oh, careful. You okay? Finish the food first in your mouth, okay? Okay, and then we dance. Finish the food
Dance?
first. Yeah. Ew. Yeah, after you finish the food in your mouth. Te imagino. Sí.
You read it.
You want to wear it? Okay. Give it here. You're so silly. My stomach is not my friend today. It's feeling in pain.
Right?
Pain, yes, pain. He's slightly moving.
Mommy?
See if we can get him on camera.
Ow.
I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Oh, that's a big one. Hey, baby.
Hey, baby.
Hey, buddy. When are you gonna come join us?
I didn't do that.
When are you gonna come out?
I said me.
How about next week? Huh, LJ? Yeah?
Yeah.
Come out next week, yeah?
Okay.
I'm talking to your baby brother, baby.
I know which baby. Should be split as an apple.
Okay. Are you gonna give your baby brother some apples?
No, it's meant to be what's real cat.
Oh, the apples are for you?
It's my pet.
Are you Paris?
It's my pet. Pet.
You hear me, baby? Come out
No.
next week.
No.
Man, I don't know, but he's putting a lot of pressure on my pelvis and it hurts. And my back is killing today.
What you did?
What are you doing?
Nothing. What you did?
Nothing. What are you doing?
I go.
You don't want to go play?
Cookies.
You already had fun with your little friend?
He's still moving. Hey there, buddy. Are you gonna come join us? Oh my gosh, ouch. Your mother is extremely uncomfortable. Take it off? Okay, you take it off. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Kind of. Oh, there you go. Woohoo.
You were swimming it.
Yeah?
Sure.
They're little horses. These are little cute things. I was supposed to give them out at the baby shower, and I didn't end up doing that. I forgot.
I forgot to be so tired.
Yeah, they're cute, aren't they? Yeah, they're adorable.
Yeah.
Yeah!
I can't miss
It's so funny. There's so many things that I bought that I didn't use at the baby shower, like balloons.
What's it? She got it.
Yeah.
Let's make him look.
Yeah.
Horsey journey to no friend. Journey.
Yay! Make a mess. Woohoo!
Horsey journey.
Yay!
Horsey journey. Horsey journey.
Woo! It's so quiet and peaceful today. I just wish my pelvis wasn't in so much pain. What you doing there, baby?
Oh, where is it?
What are you looking for? 1 hour later, they sing song after song. 10 o'clock. Goodness me, the time just flies. Dizzy plays with her friends, zooming high in the sky. It's 11 o'clock. Turn the page. Yeah, I don't know why your dad had the balloons there. It's just for decoration, but you can't play with it now, no. Noon. It's 12 o'clock. The morning has passed. Dizzy is hungry. No. I said no. She can eat lunch at last. 1 o'clock. Dizzy flies to a little bird's nest. She snuggles up with the babies, for it's time for her rest. Turn the page. 2 o'clock. Dizzy is awake and ready to play. She waves goodbye to the birds, then is on her way. 3 o'clock. Dizzy chases Bumble the bee. 4 o'clock. They play together and giggle with glee. Turn the page. Okay. The end. Okay. Bedtime. Time to get in your bed. Okay. Okay. Get in. Get in. Okay. Lay down. It's time for your nap.
Nap.
It's time for night-night.
Night-night.
Yeah. You go night-night, and I'll see you soon, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
I love you.
Good night.
Good night. Okay, sit down.
It is really cold, and we just woke up from our nap. Oh, so cold. Mom? Feeling a lot of pressure. Annoyed with the house. I mean, it's not that messy. This is like a 5-minute cleanup, but I still gotta fold the laundry and put it away. Hopefully I can actually do that.
Actually, no, don't, please.
Oh, I was just about...
Okay, fine, if you really want to.
I don't mind. Why don't you want it recorded?
I don't think it's like quite a gift, to be honest.
Oh, it's okay.
Anniversary.
Oh, thank you. I
Hi!
got Victoria's Secret. Yay!
What are you yelling about?
Oh my gosh, it smells delicious already. Ah! This is cute. I love it, babe. Thank you. It smells so good. What is it? She's the queen of the West. Check her out, spinning out, do it around, queen of the West. No one's gonna take away her crown. Okay. What is it, baby? Is that a frog?
Yeah, it's a frog.
Yeah, do you like your frog?
Where is it?
What does the frog say? Ribbit. Alright, in bed.
It's a book.
No, we already read it 3 times already.
Go. I just put it temporary for you. Okay. Good night.
Good night, my sweet baby.
Good night.
Lay down. That's a good girl. Let me just try to tuck you in. Hey?
Joy. Oh.
Good night, my baby.
Good night.
I love you.
I love you.
Get some sleep.
I got to know.